Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is unreliable. It is pronounced un-re-li-able and spelt U-N-R-E-L-I-A-B-L-E. Think un, rel, the letter I, and then able. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Unreliable means not dependable or not able to be trusted, often in a way that is not easily controlled. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something or someone that is not trustworthy or dependable. For example, you could say the car was unreliable and broke down often, or he was an unreliable employee and was often late. The word unreliable comes from the Latin word unreliable, which means not able to be relied on, referring to something or someone that is not dependable or trustworthy. In Disney's Frozen, the character of Prince Hans initially appears charming and trustworthy, leading Anna to believe that he genuinely cares for her. However, as the story progresses, Hans reveals his true nature as an unreliable character who only seeks to marry Anna so that he can become king. Synonyms for unreliable are undependable, untrustworthy, inconsistent, and unpredictable. Antonyms for unreliable include reliable, dependable, trustworthy, and consistent. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, unreliable. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.